Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use MySQL database on Hostinger, and there's many different ways how you can use MySQL, but how to access it. Basically, you're going to choose a domain where you want to create it, and you're going to click manage. After that, when you will be on this page, you're going to click manage your website. And here you can actually access the MySQL. So you're going to find databases. You're going to go here. And as you can see, there's MySQL database. And you can basically enter the PHP myadmin. And here you can actually add the information you want. So now you're going to go on Hostinger tutorials. I'm going to leave the link in the description below for you to check it out. There's a lot of options. For example, how to grant MySQL remote connection, so how to use it remote, some how to create privileges, and how to optimize the database using this admin. So basically, there's a lot of options how you can use it. And yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.